Hi and hello guys. Today in this video, I will show you all as to how you can build or deploy a Raspberry Pi chatbot. This is based on an instructable previously posted. I have cleaned up the script and the app to work with the latest OS and Python version. The process is very simple. All you need is a script that will run on the Pi and an app that needs to be installed on a mobile device. The communication between the app and the Pi is through WebSockets. I have provided the links to the app and the script in the description of this video. If you wish, you can edit the app using MIT App Inventor service, and for that I have provided the link to the App Inventor project file as well. Download the Python script onto the Pi and execute it. You should see a prompt that the Pi is waiting for a client connection. Now open the app and enter the IP address and the port details of the socket. The IP address is the network address of your Pi. The port has been set to a default value of 8888, which you can change in the script. On pressing the connect button, the app will connect to the socket and you can start sending messages. Here is a demo of the communication or conversation.